Tom for Waterwise Botanicals, and included in this video you're going to see the beautiful photographs of Salvia greggii at the same time of year, and you'll see them in full bloom and beautiful lush green foliage. It's called the autumn sage. We like to call them the crayon sages because the colors of their flowers are just so intense and so pure. But people sometimes get them in their landscape and get a little discouraged because they can get to look a little bit more like a tumbleweed than a really beautiful flowering salvia. Now there's just a couple of very simple tricks to that. One of the tricks is pruning, and the pruning just causes the new foliage to come right back up, flowering and lush. And so in the summertime, they don't like to be pruned back all the way to nothing. So you got to leave some green foliage on. So I'm going to just reach in and cut out some of the larger branches, but I'm always making sure during the summertime that I'm leaving on some nice green foliage and green stems. Now in the cool season, like winter, spring, I actually just cut them right to the ground, and just in a matter of weeks they come back up nice and fresh. But if you'll see, I'm just reaching in, getting the larger kind of woodier stems, and this is going to cause it to just come right back up from lower on the ground, and the new foliage will be right back beautiful lush green and loaded with flowers again. So here I am. This is pretty much a finished job. You can kind of see it here. We're looking at a low plant. There's some hanging branches, low branches. I'll trim some of those also. We're just getting rid of kind of the woodiness, but leaving the green leafy foliage. Now, a little bit of fertilizer, general purpose fertilizer that's higher in nitrogen, and this thing will be back flowering and beautiful in a matter of 5 weeks, looking just like the ones you saw in our containers in the photographs. So don't be shy about autumn sage. In fact, we're coming near their best time of year. So give them a light pruning, get rid of a little bit of that tumbleweed looking effect. You'll get brand new lush foliage and covered with flowers again. And these are hardy down to very low temperatures, single digits. In those climates, they die to the ground, come back up in the spring. So in a way, they're doing that natural pruning for you. So enjoy autumn sage, or we call them the crayon sages, in so many different colors. I'm Tom for Waterwise Botanicals, chopchop.com.